Hey guys! In this video I want to share with you a freehand zigzag balayage technique by using Oxycur Platin for the maximum lift, and after that I'm going to tone it with a soft color to refresh and give it more shine. I hope you enjoy. As you can see, with using my zigzag technique, I can get more impact from the inside, less impact from the outside. As you can see, I'm done with my balayage technique, no toning. Now I'm gonna do a toner for the middle part with Colorance and the ends to keep it as light as possible and give it more shine with soft color 10p. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.